This is Sure Fix Plumbing with a main sewer camera inspection at 46 Frontenac Estate Drive, 63131. Ventured in through their basement stack, pushed all the way out to the city main. There was one problem area I had trouble getting over, but eventually did. You'll see that here, and I have it marked outside in the driveway. It's directly underneath the blacktop in the driveway closest to the street. So from this point, we're going to pull back and document and record what we find. As you can see, we're in the 6-inch clay leading to the city main. We're coming up on that problem area here. It's right there. Which kind of collapses. You can see I try to push my camera to it. It takes quite a bit of effort to jump it. So you can see that that's damage in that area, and I have that marked outside with a depth of 8 feet. There's a little bit of water running at the moment. We're going to continue to pull back. A little bit of residual roots from cabling the line. See, there's another one. Residual amount of roots there, curtain roots. Coming up on the 4-inch cast iron here after we hit this turn. Residual roots. A little more. There's a little mass that we can push down, flush out of the line. And here we are at the transition. You can see how it has a little bit of roots going on right there. And go outside, I'll have this marked as well. Excuse me. We're going to continue into the cast. See a significant amount of scaling, but nothing showing any significant structural damage or any at all. The black water there from stirring up some of the scaling and sediment on the bottom of this line. Turn back toward the stack. In the stack at the point of access I was at. With that being said, that will conclude this camera inspection at 46 Frontenac Estates Drive. To recap, I found a broken part of the clay out in the driveway, which I have marked at a depth of 8 feet. Outside of that, there's a transition point that I have marked as well outside, just in the middle, some bushes out in the front. It'll have a spray paint and it'll have a flag on it. Excuse me. That was also at a depth of 8 feet. I recommend having that spot in the driveway dug up and excavated and repaired with PVC, as well as probably taking that piece of clay right at the transition and getting that repaired as well, being that it kind of has a pretty significant offset letting in roots right there. And furthermore, after those repairs are made, I would recommend a hydro flush for this line to clear out all of the scaling and debris inside the cast and repair it back to its normal capacity, and further preventing any backups that could be happening in the cast. With that being said, that will conclude this camera inspection at 46 Frontenac Estate Drive, 63136, I believe. Apologize for that. That will conclude this camera inspection. Again, we are Sure Fix Plumbing.